Something tells me I'm gonna regret this. YouTube, what is up, man? It's your boy Ron Most Wanted, and I'm back at you with another video. And in today's video, we are here with
Janice Monae.
You don't even know your name, bro.
Because I was about to say J Monae, but that's not my name no more. It's Janice Monae.
Alright.
What is you talking about?
She do YouTube too, so if any of y'all guys out there got a girlfriend or a mother or a sister or an auntie or a cousin that you know want their hair did or something like that, or some questions about hair, they want to buy some hair, it's the person. You know what I'm saying? Also, she does YouTube. She a content creator. I'm gonna drop all her info down below. Put Instagram somewhere on the screen. Yeah, follow. You know what I'm saying? We're going to run some errands, and she decided that she wanted to drive, right? Now, she's driven the G plenty of, please don't do that. She's driven the G plenty of times before, but now we are lowered to the ground. And she's not used to driving lowered cars, you know. Also, she has the Q50 3-liter turbo, which will be featured on the channel very soon. Probably one of the next 2 videos that'll be dropping. But yeah, so she's gonna drive the G, and we're gonna see how this goes. I'm a little bit scared, I ain't gonna lie.
Wish me luck.
It's a 3.7, you know, not no little 3.0 T, you know. It's big boy NA. What? Huh? I could keep up though. All right. So we are off. Yo, let me put my seatbelt on here. Shoot, need it with you.
What you trying to say?
One thing about the low, Janice, you gotta take your time, bro. You can't just speed like how you normally speed. You see a pothole, you gotta, feel me, go around it. If it's safe to do so. Hey. Are you gonna put gas in this car? All right. Anyways.
We're off to a good start, right? We're not?
Yeah, I mean, yeah, you know.
All right.
Yeah, easy on the bumps. All right. So, what you said? Nah, this nigga is wildin', bro.
Yo, it's always the Ultimas, bro.
Yo, it's really always the Ultimas, bro. Nah. Yo.
Nah, I'm weak. Bro, why is it always the Ultimas?
Bro, my thing is, why did he just like do that and throw the Frank at everybody?
Like, it's not his fault.
Hey, watch right here. Damn. Why are you driving with the mirror, bro? You supposed to be looking at the road. Are you looking over your shoulder?
Yeah.
Alright, it just looked like you was using the mirror. Yeah. Easy. That's tough, I'm not gonna lie. Guys, what do you think? Should I wrap the G that blue? I don't think he... Huh?
I like that color.
Yeah, it is a nice blue. I don't think he want to run it, though, because he... Come on, now. Like, seriously.
No smoke.
He really don't. That's the crazy part. Oh, I'm like, why my butt getting hot? Your butt too hot?
No, it's fine. I like it.
Alright, like a hot ass. Anyway, so lesson number 1, speed bumps. Easy right here. Easy. Alright, you see that? Little treacherous hole. That wasn't too bad. Now, speed bumps, you gotta hit it at an angle, okay? So you're gonna slow down. Don't come too close. Alright, so you didn't even take my instruction. You just... Alright, but not too bad. I mean, get over though, so you don't hit the car. Alright, yeah, like one wheel at a time. Okay. It's not no big Tonka truck no more. Now we got a reason to avoid the potholes.
Yo, is he gonna stop?
Man. All right, another one. Okay.
How you want me to do it? What's your way?
All right, just do it. Just do it how you did it before. That was good. All right. So yeah, angle. You gotta concentrate.
I gotta see if it's scraping or not.
All right, yeah, all right, not bad, yeah, okay.
All right, so what's the
stop before the line, please. Look where the stop sign at, bro. And look at where you at.
Last time I checked, I thought this was like a test drive with the car.
I mean, it is, but I mean, it is a road test. This is the ultimate test to see if you can drive my car when I'm not present.
Oh. I mean, I still can.
You can?
Yeah, I can.
Oh yeah. All right. Slow down. Oh, this a big one. All right, so you know what?
This car.
Just let him go. Let him go. All right. Good. Okay. All right.
See?
All
No
right.
scraping.
You feel me? Sometimes you gotta let people go, cause when you low, you know, not everybody. You know, in New York, nobody patient. Dang, look at that pothole, bro. It's not even showing on camera like that. Maybe because I'm zoomed out. But feel me, like, nobody in New York is patient, so
you know, they love speeding through the field.
yeah. So I get honked at all the time if I'm trying to go around bumps. So most of the time, I just put my hazards on, pull to the side, and let them go around. And as they drive around, just throw the frank.
I'm weak. I just thought about the guy, like, what if that guy that was saying all that, what if he watched your channel and seen that? I'm like, yo, bro, that was me.
Yo. The only thing is, I ain't get him good, though.
He don't know his car. He don't know what he did.
Yeah, you right. That'd be fire. Yo, shout out to you that was throwing the frank. That was gangster.
Right, real gangster. All right, so are we going straight? Left? Right?
Shoot. I don't even know anymore, bro.
Go some treacherous roads. That's the real test.
How about no?
So you want me to make a U-turn or what?
I don't know. This is a bad spot to make a U-turn.
No, it's not. I could do it.
It's a bad. Look at the intersection right there. You know how cars be turning and flying. All right, just don't. All right. Okay. This nigga is so illegal, son. It's not even funny. Hey, you could come to a complete stop before putting it in gear again.
Right
Hey. Do you see this hole? Yeah. This hole. Put it in the middle. That's like those you could put in the middle, but anything sticking up, you can't.
Oh, because it hit it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Feel me? It's gonna hit the metal undershroud, but at the same time, we just want to avoid that as much as possible. All right?
I got you.
Yeah. Hey, watch the people now. Why are you moving over?
I was nowhere near them.
Make me nervous, man.
Yeah, so where are we going? Straight?
I don't even know where we're going, bro.
Oh, we're just going for a ride. It don't matter.
They say you want to go for a ride. Hey, slow down. I would have made you go around it. It wasn't too bad. Okay, you cannot. Hey, damn. I just got these brakes, bro. Why are you, like, mashing it? All right. I'm sorry. You just making me nervous, bro. Like, this ain't regular car. You can't just, you know, stay on the...
Sorry.
You have to look before you see the bump. Like, look ahead. Because if you keep going all the way up on a bump and then you slam on the brake, everybody behind you either gonna run in back of you, pause, or you just gonna cook the brakes. You know what I'm saying? So you gotta just scan the road. It take practice though, feel me? The first 2 weeks, I wanna say I was still banging holes, but whoop! Oh, damn. I mean, hey, look at the yellow cab.
For sale.
The yellow cab was for sale?
Yeah.
Did it have a price on it?
No.
Guys, you want to see me buy a yellow cab for the channel? Like, it would be like, why? I don't even know why. Just to have a yellow cab. If they was dragging like $1,500 for it, I'd never buy it.
Just to hook it up. Just for shows.
Yeah.
Really. Just a hangout chill spot. For
Yeah, right? Stop talking. You can give it a little gas. I said a little. Watch this.
Right.
Damn. Yo, you just about to make me have a heart attack. But still, we didn't know that until we hit it, bro. You gotta slow down. If it looks soft, but you can avoid it, just avoid it. Alright?
Bro, I'm pretty sure you don't be doing all
Yes, I do. Like, for some reason, the camera's not. Fuck. Go. Alright. It was police.
I don't got my license on me anyway.
Yeah, so we riding dirty. Alright. Damn. You know how to drive with the manual mode?
Yeah. Can I get that started?
Just wait till we come to a stop. And then you can start.
Right. So
that's sport mode.
So how you put it manual?
You push the shift lever either up or down. Oh, okay. With my sunglasses. I hope y'all praying for me down below in the comments.
I'm not that bad. I'm not.
She not. She just be scaring me because she drive like. She drive like. Oh shit! Damn. I just dropped the phone. Alright. Wait. Don't shift it yet. Alright. Keep it in second.
It's in third.
It's in second.
Oh, now. Oh.
Hey!
Sorry. Alright, go now?
Yeah. You can hear when it's shifted. Alright, you good. Alright, pretty good. That wasn't bad at all.
Yeah, I know what I'm doing.
Okay. Alright. Now, over here it gets crazy. So take your time. Alright? I don't really like this lane because of right here. Damn.
We said damn at the same time.
Alright, yeah. Downshift. Alright, downshift. Downshift. One more. Yeah! You think if this was a real manual, you'd be able to drive it?
Absolutely not.
I would have showed you by now.
You just gotta move. The one that you have to move around so it could be neutral and stuff?
Yes.
Yeah, no.
With the clutch, you know. So using 2 legs to drive. Okay. Not bad. Not too bad. Not too shabby.
See, I told you.
Yeah. You been practicing, huh?
No.
Oh. Okay.
I just know.
You do?
It's just in my blood.
It is?
Yeah.
Downshift. So what you think? You think you would lower your car?
No, tell him follow my TikTok.
No.
Not in New York. Absolutely not.
Do you think that this was smart of me to do?
50-50. It's good,
explain.
because it's like it gives you more speed and like more balance, like when you hit in the curves. But as far as like potholes and how the roads are in New York, absolutely not.
Okay.
But if it was like, you know, somewhere where the roads are like always paved.
Manual.
Oh, sorry.
A red line, boy.
Sorry, I forgot
Yo, you could put it back then if you want. Okay.
See?
We got Speedy Gonzalez here. Hey, shift up. What you doing?
Sorry, I thought when you like drive it in one like speed limit, you don't have to.
Nah.
I don't really drive your car that much to see like a full difference.
Oh.
Yeah.
Let's keep it that way. You look cute.
Thank you.
You should get a G and trade in a Q. She just got new turbos, y'all. Can I tell them that?
Yeah.
I could tune your Q?
Yeah, go ahead.
Can I mod your Q too?
Yeah. I was gonna do it after I get my situation together. That's why I ain't do nothing to it yet.
You think you're responsible or something?
Huh? I am responsible.
That's good. I'm proud of you.
Thank you.
We need more people like that, you know?
Yeah, I like to get my car in the street.
I'm the type of guy,
I don't like this.
if I got $5K in my hand right now, cash. Hey!
I wasn't that close.
Why are you coming up on his ass?
Hey.
Damn. Like, I ain't realize it. They wasn't gonna realize it till you said that, bro. Okay, Speedy Gonzalez. He don't want no smoke. Follow him. Let's see. Is that an AMG? That's what's gonna determine whether or not we try and play.
Yes, I am, G.
All right, Janice, go ahead and make this U-turn.
You serious?
Yeah, you can. Why are we coming here?
I don't know. So the only thing about your car is your steering wheel. It's like it's stiff.
Speak up, please.
Your steering wheel is stiff compared to mine.
Compared to the Q, right? What do you think?
Huh?
We at Lenox Square Mall right now in North Yankton. What you think?
About what?
The car, nigga. Yeah.
The car?
Yeah.
It was fine.
It was cool.
It's not better than mine though.
Hope you enjoyed this video.
This little vloggy vlog.
Hold on, let me go around and check the car and make sure it's okay.
What you trying to say, man?
Let me go check the car and make sure it's alright. Get it off. Off. Alright, cool. Now we out. Alright. It's looking good so far. Let's see.
Not too shabby, not too shabby.
Not too shabby. Janice, what the hell is this?
What? I didn't do that.
You sure?
I didn't do that. I was already there.
Oh, why? Son, he really dressed like Blue's Clues. Hey, my son Steve.